Welcome to my channel, SteveO the Window Cleaner. Today I am in the window cleaning resource warehouse in Warwick, New York, and I'm going to show you some of my favorite products through the aisles before everyone gets in here in the morning. And this is like a window cleaner's paradise, just to be around so many different window cleaning tools, solutions, rubbers, all kinds of stuff. So let's get started. We have some oh so popular WCR swag. We got hoodies, we got tie-dyes, we got black sweatshirts, tons and tons of swag, black diamond squeegee rubber t-shirts, WCR t-shirts up the galore. These are some of my favorite t-shirts. Chris T. Wilson shirts, just really fun t-shirts. I know we're more looking at window cleaning tools though. Some of our larger channels: Ettore Super Channel, Sorbo rubber, so much cool stuff here. Tons of black diamond rubber. This is where all of the larger rubbers are held, which is really cool. If you like larger channels, that is for you. The also popular this summer, the Pulex Uni handle. Really nice sleeve here. Pretty cool handle. Maybe needs some work, but pretty cool as far as that goes. If you check out this right here, this is the pole wall of all of the poles that are ready to ship out. They're all color-coded, pre-boxed, ready to go. All these poles come with a Tucker hybrid 12-inch brush, and then also come with, say if you got a 30-foot micro basic, you would also get 40 feet of Xero hose and all the connections that hook it up to your garden outlet from your system. Got some different add-on sets here, universal extensions for the Destroyer. If you get a Destroyer, up to 40 feet is telescopic. After that, you will be adding these modular scopic sections, which is really cool. Some OVA 8 sections as well. If you haven't checked out OVA 8, it's a really nice oval pole. You don't have that rotation, proprietary attachments, but definitely coming out with a lot of cool stuff for that as well. But that's always fun to check out. We have a whole entire area here of squeegee rubber. Anything from Unger Green rubber, Mormon Blue NXTR rubber, cut standard, cut with a liquidator cut. You have Wagtail Royal Blue rubber, Wagtail Black rubber, just tons and tons of rubber. Tons. Sorbo rubber, crazy. Ettore rubber, black diamond rubber. Then tons of different chemicals here as far as window washing chemicals, F9, everything from Double Eagle, Groundskeeper, F-Flow, and Bark for rust remover. Some of the cool stuff over here: One Restore, really good for hard water removal. A1, same thing. Oil Flow for getting off adhesive, different stuff like that. Cement Off, which is really good for removing cement, letting it dwell for a little bit and be able to wipe it away. And then everyone's favorites: Glass Clean 3, Glass Clean 4. Not sudsy solutions, but really good for professional window cleaning. Everyone's favorite, Dawn soap. Dawn. And then Mormon soap. Just tons and tons of stuff here. Really a window cleaner's dream here. A lot of people ask about this when it's on the website. So this you can use to apply to the window after you clean the window to help repel water, make the glass keep cleaner longer, I guess you could say. I personally don't use it, but it's good. A lot of glide agents here. High Slide is a glide agent. This is for soft washing. I'm really just kind of going through, giving you guys a pretty quick overview because I could spend hours doing this video. Winstall CC550, very strong hard water removal. So just so much cool stuff. We'll go over here. So we have so many replacement clamps for all the water fed poles here. Just so you know, if you ever get a Xero pole, you get a 3-year warranty on your clamps in your section. So if they break, we can send them out for free if you fill out the warranty form. A lot of cool attachments here. We have a lot of the accessories for water-fed pole, your Euro tips, your Acme tips. People always ask when they get a water-fed pole, why did I get this? This is a red Acme tip that you can attach a lot of different things for, painting tools, cleaning tools, and use it on your pole high up in the air. Oh, univalves, really great for turning the water on and off. Really, really awesome accessory, been around for many years. Very, very popular, very, very popular. The Zero Contact Scrubber is a new scrubber. I'll have a video on this soon. Basically has a rotating, let's show you this. So that rotates, a little screw there will allow it to go up and down to keep full contact with the glass. I'll have a video on that here soon. Make sure we put that back the way we found it so we don't piss off any of the workers. And then just a lot of different push to fits, just a lot of crazy stuff here. But I think as window cleaners you watch this and it's kind of like a dream. Angle adapters, reach around from Tucker, mini bronze wool holder, just a lot of different stuff here. Hybrid brushes, Tucker boar hair brushes, Tucker swivels in this gray color now instead of the older style black color. Rinse bars up the wazoo, 12-inch, 18-inch. Everybody always asks me, does there aluminum rinse bar still? There's no aluminum rinse bars. Aluminum rinse bars aren't made anymore, so it's just plastic for now. Then, so many towels, zero fish scale towels, very, very popular. And let's see here. 1, 2, 3 different colors as far as that goes. You got scrims, squeegee life towels, all sorts of really, really good stuff. Recycled surgical towel is probably the most popular overall. You can get 10 pounds, you can get a 12 pack, 48 pack, a lot of Xero hose here, Xero rubber hose, 3/8 hose. This is not normal garden hose. This is hose to run from your system to your pole. This is not the type of hose you're going to run from the source to the system because it's a thinner inner diameter, so it's going to keep the pressure more consistent from the system to your pole. Filters, filters, filters. Here's all the racks that go out and they pick their orders during the day. So they'll take these racks out, bring them through the, I watched it all day yesterday, bring them through the warehouse and put everything on there, get it all ready to go, get it sent out to you. And they try to do it the same day all the time, except for the weekends. Bunch of really awesome glass renew stuff if you're really into you know, restoration of glass. This is a lot of good polishing pads, a lot of good discs for that, polishing creams, compounds, a lot of gutter removal stuff here. This is definitely my favorite, is the actual gutter tool. Fits onto an Acme thread. Really, really nice as far as that goes. Then we just have some high-rise stuff here, round buckets here. Not very popular, but very similar to, you know, what you find in Home Depot, but just some cool different colors. The pink is probably the most popular of any of the colors. If we go over here, what do we find in here? Some different ladder accessories, ladder levelers, level locks, standoffs for stack ladders, very nice. Lots of walnut pads here, totally restocked on walnut pads. Yesterday I came here, there's like nothing, so all full. They fill up everything so quick. So much stock of everything. Famous Techno Pads in blue, green, and red. It's just tons and tons of different stuff around here. And then we have, this is kind of a cool area, a lot of stickers, swag, cool hats. You can find this on the website in the swag area. You got the Jersey Cool Kid sticker, Joshua the window cleaner, very, very cool guy, very, very nice guy. Xero stickers, all sorts of cool stuff. And you got the soap from Craig. Craig has a sales rep here at Window Cleaning Resource as well. So WCR hand soap. If you get done with your dirty day and need some WCR hand soap, there you go. And always, everybody loves the catalogs. On your first order, you will get a catalog. So just know that. If you want a catalog, put an order and you will get sent out a catalog. This is always kind of cool. A lot of the different extension poles held up by all of this. Very well organized. And then tons and tons of trad poles ready to go. Lots of different accessories here. collars for your Unger Optolock poles, Unger Ergotech cones. There's a lot of different stuff here. Wood cones. You got Ettore, Unger cones, Mr. Long Arm cones. A lot of different. You got booties here, gloves. These are really nice gloves. Just got a pair of these for myself. I really encourage you to do those, or the Glacier gloves are great as well. These are my favorite ones, the Glacier Perfect Curve glove. Tons of trad poles, different colors, from red, pink, blue, yellow, the all black. Everyone loves those. We don't have any more of the neon green in, which was very popular as well. Bunch of different scrapers here. You got the 6-inch Unger scraper. You got the Unger Ergotech scraper. So those would be two different styles of scrapers. Really the biggest difference between the two is you can angle this scraper down. So you can angle this scraper like so, but you can't angle that one. You get a lot of different stuff here. Got the Xero scraper here. So much cool stuff. You got the new, let me show you this guy. This is the new Xero Micro Destroyer. So this is a 30-foot micro designed after the Destroyer. Actually right around, just a little above 5 pounds, but really cool pole. Really nice. End defenders on every other section. So a little different than the other micro as far as the top 3 sections are not a trad pole. So you won't have an end defender on every section, but you get one on every other. But really nice residential pole. If you want a primo, ultra high mod, top tier carbon fiber pole, this is the pole to get. Here's some of the different purification systems that are here. This is the Xero Pure Max. This is a double RO system. It has two 40-inch ROs. Then you also have a carbon filter right here, and then a DI filter here, 10-inch. Really nice frame. These wheels go on a lot nicer than I think the older Xero Pures. A better frame, a little bit skinnier, and then it's just an overall very easy setup for a RO DI purification system. You got both the waters going here, boom, travels back, and out to your pure water here. Here we have the brand new Xero Pure Revolution. Great system for one pole. The other system we just looked at, really good for 2 poles. So this is going to be a great one pole system. RO, DI, same system, same like configuration, just we have the double RO on the other one. But really nice setup. Very easy for one person, very easy to get around, very easy to pick up due to the frame being here. And yeah, just an awesome system. Really high flow with it. I've been really impressed with this setup. Alrighty, so that's kind of a quick rundown of some of the cool things here. We didn't get to touch on everything, but if I did, we'd be doing this for hours and hours. Always cool to see everything. We kind of missed this island here. Bunch of servo handles, ledgers, ledger galore, Mormon combinators, just so much cool stuff. Bunch of IPC handles for squeegees, my favorite Mormon 2.0 handle. Ettore Ledge Easy handles, just so much good stuff. Wagtail high flyers. Oh man, just a lot of good stuff here. So anyways, I just want to give you guys a quick rundown of kind of some of the tour of the WCR warehouse. And if you guys need to purchase equipment and you want to get ready for spring, give me a holler, 970-599-1437. You can also email me, SteveO@windowcleanresource.com, and happy to get it out there for you. If I'm ever busy out in the field, I'll always give you a call back once I get home. I do work in the field on Mondays and Tuesdays, but I'm always happy to help you with setting up purification systems, setting up traditional tools, all that good stuff. So anyways, we'll hit you later, and thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and also check out windowcleaner.com. Peace. Bye.